So we're going to be covering the Petra handheld sprayer. We're going to show you the different features of this sprayer. Very similar to what you would get if you were to buy a bottle of Roundup. So you're going to want to use your knife, take off the little plastic band. We have a little warranty card here with our customer service number. If you have any questions about it, feel free to give us a call. So these sprayers work great for around the house. It's going to fit your standard size bottle. Again, very similar to what you would buy if you bought like a bottle of Roundup. That's the lid it's going to fit on. You extend the spray like that. You're gonna pull this piece out because that is what is protecting the battery from activating inside the box. So simply pull that out and then you are good to go. This has a white ball on it that hangs in the bottle. That's what allows it to stay. That's where the solution is gonna come up through. And now you're ready to spray. You can hear the battery activated. This is your safety. Press it down, you're not going to get any spray, press it up, and you're ready to go. So it also has the handy bottle holder. You're going to put that on top of the bottle cap. That way you can put your spray trigger right on the bottle. So this is the Petra handheld sprayer.